Alright, hello YouTube. You saw the title, let's go ahead and get into it. This one, I think it's right, but I'm not totally sure because I did learn it. I learned this one by ear because it is pretty simplistic. I recommend this for like a beginner song, like if you're a beginner on guitar. It's pretty fun to play along to. The rhythm is just going to be eighth notes. If you don't know what those are, it's going to be that's going to be like the rhythm is gonna it's going to only be it's only going to be on two strings the entire song. It's going to be on the G string and the B string, and you're going to be on the B string for the first part, and you're going to go back and forth between the first and the fourth frets. 1 4 1 4. And I like to use my thumb for that. Then I bar the third fret, the bottom three strings. You don't have to bar that E because you're not going to actually be hitting it, but I just do it because it's already there. I find it easier actually just barring the bottom three rather than having to focus on the bottom or the second two from the bottom. You know, I just like to plant it down. So it's going to go 1 4 1 4. Then on the, it's going to go G B G B on the third fret. 1 4 1 4 on the B. G B G B, and it keeps on bouncing back and forth. But sometimes it will go up to the eighth fret. So, for example, like in especially in the verses. It will go from the third fret and it will slide up 5 frets to the 8th fret. And I like to use my thumb for picking the G string, and I like to use my index finger for hitting the B string. Well, I mean, I will still use my thumb whenever I'm doing 1 4 1 4, but you can, as long as you're hitting the notes, it really doesn't matter how you play it. I have the song was originally on like a nylon string acoustic guitar, so if you're trying to replicate that tone, you just want to on electric, you just want to put on a clean tone and up the reverb like 3/4 of the way there, and kind of get like 1/4 of the gain if you can. If you have like reverb pedals or whatnot. I don't need a reverb pedal. I have like a reverb effect on my amp, so I can just crank it up to 3/4 of the way there, put the gain down to 1/4 of what it originally is, and then boom. You kind of get that warm tone. And whenever you go up to that, to the 8th fret, this is a G by the way. You make sure you slide up to it. Now, for the outro is a little bit different. You'll just do the same 1 4 1 4, but you won't do the 3 3 3 3. Instead, you will do 1 4 1 4 7 7 8. So yeah, you will kind of just bar and just hit the 7th fret. Actually, yeah, you could probably get the D in there as well. You could bar the D, G, and B. Hit the 7th frets of those strings. Yeah, if you hit the A string, it will sound kind of bad. But so yeah, make sure you don't hit the A string. Or you could literally just hit the B and the G. You could do that, or you could just downstrum like the D, G, and B. 777 888. Yeah, that's really it for the song. I really don't know how. I don't know how much more I could explain of it. That's because it just kind of rinses and repeats and does the same things over and over again. Um, yeah, that's it. I'll see you for the next lesson, which will probably be Leopard. Peace.